Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by focusing on legal repositories and library systems. That gets you most available PDFs quickly. Start with public domain archives and open access university repositories because they host verified copies. Once done, check your local library's e-lending and interlibrary loan options. Many have instant PDFs or temporary downloads. Make sure to use catalog metadata, ISBN, edition, and publisher. That avoids wrong files. This approach saves time and keeps you on the right side of copyright while maximizing coverage. Next, refine searches with precise identifiers because titles alone return noise. Use ISBN, exact title variants, and edition numbers in advanced search fields. This narrows results to the correct edition. Then, filter by file type PDF and restrict domains to trusted sources or educational institutions to reduce junk. Once that's set, query academic aggregators and publisher open access sections for contemporary works. These often provide legitimate PDFs. Make sure to inspect file metadata for author and publisher. To finish, verify the PDF's metadata and file integrity so you're using the correct, unaltered version. If a title is unavailable, request it through interlibrary loan or contact the author or publisher for a legitimate copy. Many will share preprints or author PDFs. Once downloaded, open in a secure viewer and run a quick antivirus scan. Prefer official library or publisher apps for lending downloads. If something goes wrong, retry with a different trusted source and confirm ISBN and edition before re-downloading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.